Hello everyone. Today we are celebrating International Youth Day. Every year on 12 August we celebrate International Youth Day. The youth are energetic, ideas, creative, have a great potential to generate a positive social change in the world, such as economic, political, and more others. Also, the youth are full of hope and through innovation. But some challenges. Today, more than 73 million are unemployment. More than 400 million are living in areas affected by the army conflict, are face deprivation, bullying, and other infringement of human rights. More than 600 million don't have access to essential health care as well as education, particularly in Somalia. Somalia is a country affected by the civil war, army conflict, terrorist, economic and political. The people of Somalia are facing many problems such as poverty and lack of social service. Somalia youth a widespread problems face include economic problem, unemployment, and insecurity. As generally, if we are youth, we need safe space where we can express our views and pursue our dreams. We need education. We need health. We need to create opportunities. We need decent jobs. And we need a voice and a place at the table. Also, we need security. I call on all leaders, the world leaders, to empower and to create opportunities the youth. To silence the guns. To silence the gun means to silence harassment, to silence unemployment, to silence lack of education, to silence other infringement of human rights. Secondly, I call on also the youth to find the power and to use it. We have to find our powers and to use it. We have power, demographic power, mobilization power, innovation power, and more others. Happy International Youth Day. I wish all youth in the world long life